In this video, I'll guide you through how to personalize sequences in HubSpot. Personalizing sequences can significantly enhance your engagement with contacts by making your communication feel more tailored and relevant. Now, let's dive into how you can do this effectively within HubSpot's powerful platform. First, you'll want to navigate to the template editor within HubSpot. This is where you'll manage the core content of your sequence emails. Once you're in the template editor, you'll notice a button labeled Personalize. This feature is your key to adding personal touches to your templates. By clicking on Personalize, you open up a variety of options to insert data that is specific to each contact. For example, you can include fields like first name, job title, or even custom property fields that you've previously set up in HubSpot. This allows each email to automatically adapt to include details pertinent to each individual recipient. Imagine receiving an email that uses your name and job title. It feels more direct and engaging compared to a generic message. Using these personalized tokens not only captures attention, but also builds a connection with your audience. To effectively use this feature, simply place your cursor where you want to insert the personalized information within the email body. Then, select the data field from the drop-down menu that appears when you click Personalize. This menu is intuitive and provides you with a list of all the available properties you can use. If you've set up custom properties in HubSpot, those will appear here as well, giving you the flexibility to personalize beyond the basic contact information. A great tip is to think about the information that would be most relevant to your contacts. For instance, if you're reaching out to potential clients, including their company name or industry is a nice touch. If it's a follow-up with existing clients, referring to their recent activity or purchase history can demonstrate your attentiveness to their needs. Remember, personalization goes beyond just inserting a name. It's about making the entire message feel as if it was crafted uniquely for them. Once you've added all the personalized tokens, you can preview the email to ensure everything looks just right. HubSpot allows you to see what the final email will look like for each recipient. So take advantage of this feature to double-check your work. Before sending out your sequence, it's always a good idea to test it. Send a test email to yourself or a colleague to experience how the personalization appears in a live email. This step helps catch any errors and ensures that the personalized elements are displaying as intended. With these steps, you're now equipped to make your HubSpot sequences more personal and impactful. Personalization can significantly improve your open and response rates, making your sequence more effective. So go ahead and start crafting messages that resonate with each of your contacts. Thanks for watching and happy personalizing.